Hello everyone, welcome back to the last piece of this project where we were building the power generation project end to end. So the first we created the virtual environment, we pushed the data from our local to our on-premise SQL server, we use all the Python transformation script, we have used SQL to create schema within SQL server, we use Power BI, we have created a Power BI dashboard in the last video, and now the final piece is how we can push the entire code into our VS code from our VS code to GitHub. So that's the piece that we are left off. So let's discuss that in detail. So before directly jumping into that, I just wanted to show you how exactly Git works. So there are something called tracked and untracked files. So when you try to push the data, that everything will be untracked. When you do a git init command, that what it will do is it will try to make everything untracked, that okay, all the files are untracked. Now you can put those into stages. Once that is pushed into stages, from there you can commit the code. So what exactly is stages? So stages is between your local PC and your remote PC. It's not like not in your system also and not in the remote system also, it's between that. And once you commit that, the entire thing pushed into your remote repository. So that's how exactly it works. And if you see my repository, I have if you want to go and check out my GitHub, please feel free to go and get check out. So now what I have done is I have removed some of the files. So I've been using the virtual environment, and also I duplicated the entire folder structure so that I will not push everything there, because you do not need everything from there. So what do you need is, inside this folder we have all the data and the readme file from where I got this data, and in Mage Python you will get everything, including all the script that I have written in Python, including the SQL code that I have used, the Power BI file also, the PBIX file is also here, the Power BI steps also that I used, the background image that I also used, and all the flowchart that has been there. So you will get everything. So we have everything here. Now let's try to push this into the GitHub. So to do that, you can press a shortcut called Ctrl+Shift+P and publish to GitHub. And I want to use the name as end to end Mage AI power generation project. So I think I left one. Okay, so I want to publish this publicly, not privately. So I will put public, and then this is what exactly I want to publish. I want to publish everything. If I click OK, so to know it better, you can go to this section here. Now this will try to push the entire thing into our main branch. If you see, this is the main, and this is try to synchronize with the main branch. And once that it is here, you can put a commit. So message is, let's say push the code. Okay, I think it's already pushed. Let me go and check. Okay, yeah, if you see here, end-to-end Python end-to-end project has been pushed, and the data is here. I think all the data is here, yeah. And Mage Python file, all the Python file is here, background image, sorry, PBIX file is also here, and the flowchart that we are using is also here. Cool. I think it's very easy to do it, and even though if you want to clone that repository, that is also very easy. So if you don't know, you can come to the repository that is here. You can directly go here and you can go to this code and then drop down this. Either you can use this thing to clone it, or either you can SSH key also you can use, or public CLI. So you can use multiple ways to do it, or either you can download the zip file and open VS Code and start working on it. So I think that's all we had for this entire video, and thank you so much for staying tuned till the end. And we have covered a lot of different topics, including Python, SQL, orchestration tool, Power BI, GitHub, and it's really an industrial level project that people in IT sector or any other sector generally do in their daily life. So that's how exactly a daily life of a people looks like. So if you want to learn more about it, please stay tuned with the channel, and then please don't forget to mention your doubts or comments, anything in the chat. I'll try to answer it more, as much as openly as I can. Otherwise you can try to DM me. I will try to answer there. So I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.